Affirm is a buy now, pay later service partnering with Best Buy, letting you finance electronics, for example TVs, laptops, in 3 to 36 monthly payments. APRs range from 0% to 36% based on credit, soft check, no score impact. No hidden or late fees. Pay 25% down, rest over time. Available online and in-store for US customers 18+ with a bank account. Online checkout, shop at bestbuy.com. Add items to cart. At checkout, select Affirm under payment methods. Enter amount, get instant eligibility, or sign up at affirm.com. Choose plan, for example 12 months at 0% promo. Enter personal info, name, date of birth, SSN last 4 digits. Agree to terms. Funds approve in seconds. Complete purchase. In-store. Download Affirm app or sign in at affirm.com. Request virtual card for Best Buy. Enter spend amount. Get card details. Number, expiry date, CVV. At checkout, select credit or debit card. Enter virtual card info. Pay like any Visa. Card is one-time use. Managing payments. Track in Affirm app. View balance, due dates, autopay. Returns, process via Best Buy. Affirm refunds in 3 to 5 days, up to 21 for loans. Limits from $50,000 to $17,500 based on history.